Being the Wingman, I always have to be prepared.
Because I never know what kind of trouble a bro is going to get himself into. Doesn't matter if you're a bro, home slice, brody, compadre, or even the great Brodini, trouble is going to come looking for you. And whether you like it or not, we all need a little help sometimes.
Episode 6, Codes of Conduct.
What's up, bro? Yeah, I get a lot of attention. Of course I do. I'm the Wingman. I'm awesome.
But I got a set of rules that keep me grounded. You know, that and the TSA's no-fly list. There's a code of conduct that every wingman should follow.
Things like, support thy bro. Don't be selfish. Always be there for your bro, no matter what.
Oh! Oh, son!
That there's some heavy bro. Probably a bro in need. Yellow! Now hold on. Wingman's got this. No, dude, just calm down. I'll be right there.
It's gonna get dicey.
What are we gonna do, man? This ain't good, man. This is real bad. Things have gone south real quick, man. What are we gonna do, man? What are we gonna do? This is bad. This is really bad, man. Why don't we have a bottle opener?
Why is this happening? Everyone, remain calm.
Wingman!
Now, I hope you guys don't mind. I brought in some frosty mugs.
Sorry, Tim. Couldn't resist.
No problem, Wingman.
Yeah!